This is her, Miracle, Christian, and Rachel playing Happy Wheels. And we call this... Gee whiz. Stuck again. Wait, oh my god.
Fix it!
Okay, I'm gonna fix it.
Sorry, we must start over.
Y'all are
because
so
something
immature.
happened. This is
Okay, you've already seen the introduction, and this is Santa's death. Oh, hopefully that makes it. Oh, yep, he's gone. Oh, got old lady. Ooh, that was the fat lady right there. She just hit. Grandpa. There's Santa. Kids, say goodbye to say goodbye to your dreams. And there's the fat man. Oh!
Got his head!
Oh, right? Oh,
If you see now, you see that the dude right here.
That's a
got
fat
his head.
man. That's a fat man.
That man.
He's
Got
dead.
his dead.
He's dead.
He
There's a
wasn't.
fat guy. He's nuts.
We also call this human fireworks.
Some go in there unless they come back out.
Look at all the blood, just like all of that, just blood.
Oh my god, that's nasty though.
Yeah,
Oh!
that's what I said.
Yeah,
There's a
here we
fat
go.
guy.
So.
This is
So-
the end for our video.
Goodbye.